Get a feel for the 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLA Class. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Compact fun with premium flair. That's what this finely appointed GLA 250 SUV delivers all day long. From its quiet, comfortable cabin to its muscular performance, this crossover makes every adventure delightful. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power liftgate, fog lamps, premium sound system, power passenger seat, keyless start, backup camera, aluminum wheels. Capability blends elegantly with comfort in this capable GLA 250 SUV. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.